So at the end of every day, it's important that you look after your sterilizer chamber and also the door gasket as well. So don't use detergents. You want to be using either just warm water or an isopropanol based solution. And you want to ensure that you're using a non-linting cloth as well. So at the end of the day, open up the door, make sure you've got a damp cloth, and then simply wipe underneath that inner door gasket, and also make sure you wipe that inner chamber of any water inside. If you've got residual water in there, you could use something like a microfiber cloth, which you can use afterwards to dry that inner chamber to make sure that you've got no water droplets left inside. This will just help to ensure that the inner chamber doesn't develop any tarnishing over time, and it will also help to maintain the integrity of this door gasket to ensure that the unit helps or ensures it pulls a vacuum each cycle.